Huobi and Shiba Inu community to help BitMart overcome $200 million hack. Virtual land adjacent to Snoop Dogg's Sandbox estate sells for $450,000 in Ethereum. Adidas steps into the Metaverse by partnering with NFT projects Bored Ape Yacht Club and Punk's Comic. These stores and more here on Crypto. Hi, I'm Mike from Cryptogems, and here are the latest news on crypto. Huobi and Shiba Inu community to help BitMart overcome $200 million hack. Following a near $200 million hack on the BitMart exchange, the Shiba Inu community and crypto exchange will be global, aimed to help the exchange strengthen security and track inflows of stolen assets. On December 5, crypto exchange BitMart became victim to a hot wallet compromise hosted over the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain blockchains. As a result, the hackers were able to steal over $196 million, roughly $100 million over the Ethernet network, and around $96 million over the BSC blockchain. Binance Smart Chain and Animoca brands are launching a $200 million investment program to incubate early cryptocurrency-focused gaming projects building on BSC. BSC and Animoca announced December 6 that they are co-investing up to $100 million each to support game projects in the GameFi sector. One of the largest blockchain ecosystems, BSC will be investing from its $1 billion accelerator arm for decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, and GameFi. The fund was set up earlier this year to extend BSC ecosystem services and drive mainstream adoption across the fintech sector. Animoca Brands is a major player in blockchain gaming and the open metaverse, working on providing property rights via NFTs in gaming. The firm has invested in major NFT-related projects including Axie Infinity, OpenSea, Bitski, Harmony, and others. Virtual land adjacent to Snoop Dogg's Sandbox estate sells for $450,000 in Ethereum. The popular American rapper Snoop Dogg revealed at the end of September that he acquired land in the blockchain-based virtual metaverse The Sandbox and had plans to recreate his mansion. On December 2, The Sandbox held a Snoopverse land sale, which allowed participants to purchase land adjacent to the famous hip-hop star's virtual estate. The Sandbox disclosed it was selling virtual plots of land that are located next to Snoop Dogg's virtual property. Snoop has been a cryptocurrency advocate for quite some time, and in recent days, he revealed he was a non-fungible token whale called Cosmo de Medici. Then at the end of September, Snoop partnered with The Sandbox, a gaming ecosystem where people can create, share and monetize NFTs and gaming experiences on the Ethereum network. Adidas steps into the metaverse by partnering with NFT projects Bored Ape Yacht Club and Punk's Comic. The German multinational corporation that crafts athletic shoes, sportswear, and accessories, Adidas AG, is teaming up with the non-fungible token brands the Bored Ape Yacht Club and the comic series Punk's Comic. Adidas revealed last week that the company partnered with Coinbase and believes the metaverse is one of the most exciting developments in digital. Adidas wants the world to know it is entering the world of blockchain technology and metaverse collectibles in a big way. Saxo Bank believes NFTs can disrupt Spotify and Apple Music. There have been many reports questioning if Spotify pays musicians fairly. While the popular music streaming service is yet to disclose exactly how much it pays, industry experts have suggested that its payout rate for recordings at nearly $4,000 per million streams, or less than half a cent per stream. However, NFT is here to rescue, at least, according to Saxo Bank. Saxo believes that the outlook is bright for NFT technology despite all the initial chaos and hype. According to one of Saxo Bank's outrageous predictions, 2022 revolution, NFT's use case can prove compelling to those musicians and artists who feel exploited or unfairly treated by the existing streaming platforms and their revenue structures. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell, or you can visit our website at cryptogemsofficial.com with new content every day. Don't miss a review news update or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere, and that's the latest news on crypto, so I'll see you on the next one.